Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian kajing budin berkajing tuat jengki pulen kenong bak Shillong ban lap ksai ki bre ki berangkti haka bakawang petel bom ya ka office rekam jeng ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission kabaran hapo Horseshoe Building halo wala chumia Shillong kabalaja haka shpoterek mutau naitung henne kasngi ka arpsan terek mentahi unaitung waina ki balatikna ba udai berangkti haka nikakam ki pulet kilakam no henre yo ba ki pulet kimpat kwa apat ban penpau kerteng.
The main person has been detained as of now, and he will be formally arrested later. As of now, he is being detained, and questioning is going on as of now. We have been trying to catch him for some time. So finally he was convinced to come to the police station, and based on which he has been detained as of now. Now what we need to do is, in addition to him, are there others involved in this or not? That we need to find out. But he is the main person who gave the money to the other person. That 50,000 was paid by him.